Okay. Now students, I am already completed your number 5. The last bit of this question, I think that is 5xb. Now I am going to down this particular problem, then going to number 6. Okay. Now number 5, the last bit is xb. Number 5, xb. The last bit of this number, that given limit x tends to infinite, limit x tends to infinite. The first term is a0, a1x, a2x square, so on. a0, a1x, a2x square plus an x to the power n whole divided by b0 plus b1x plus of b2x square plus bm extra f. Particular in this case, I don't know, or we don't know about the value of n and m. No doubt n and m are integer, the power of x, but I don't know, or we don't know about the n and m. It is simple given n and m. The conditions, so there are 3 conditions are arises. If case 1, if n is equal to m, then case 2, n greater than m, and case 3, m greater than n. There is 3 cases. So if n is equal to m, then x to the n or x to the m divided both numerator and denominator, both numerator and denominator. If n is equal to m, for case 1, if n is equal to m, then x to the n or x to m, because x to m equal to x to m, divided both the numerator and denominator. That becomes limit x tends to infinite, a0 x to the minus n, a1 x to the 1 minus n, plus that is plus an whole divided by b0 x to the minus n, b1 x to the 1 minus n, plus bm, because xm same as xn, because xn or xn same, where n is equal to m, so xn equal to xm. After divided xn or xm, whatever you may be, because xn and equal to xm, so the value becomes that. Put the value of infinity, something by 0, something by infinity will 0, all terms are 0 except an. So the answer becomes an by bn, or that is becomes, you can write also bn, so an by bn. That is your answer for case 1. That is number case 1. Now I am going to case 2. For case 2, now I am going to case 2. Next case 2. The case 2 is if n greater than m. If n is greater than m, then highest power of this equation is x to the n. If x, okay, mathematics. Okay. That is mathematics. Okay. Now, if n greater than m, then the equation, in this equation, particularly in this equation, x to the n is the highest power of x in the equation. So, the highest power of the equation I told you about you, when x tends to infinity, the highest power is divided throughout the equation. Hence, x to n is divided. Hence, x to n is divided. both numerator and denominator. Both numerator and denominator. So that becomes limit x tends to infinite, a0, a1 x to the power 1 minus n, a2 x to the power 2 minus n, plus that is an, because xn is divided, n is the greater than m. So that becomes b0, that is x to the minus n, sorry, b0 x to the power minus n, b1 x to the power 1 minus n, b2 x to the power 2 minus n, bm x to the power m minus n, where m, here look, n is greater than m, so m minus n is less than 0. If it is less than 0, then power of x to the power m minus n going to denominator sides. So all the value of the equation, the denominator side, it becomes 0, because something by infinity is equal to 0. So both the numerator side becomes, denominator side becomes 0. The numerator side is now only an, because all are 0 except n divided by 0, that becomes infinite. Something by 0 is equal to infinite. I am told again you, x to the minus n means 1 by x to the n. X to n, that is 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity is equal to 0. So similarly, that term is 0, that term is 0, that all to last term is equal to 0. Only an is remained, so an is remained. Similarly, the denominator side, all terms are 0. Here it is 0, it is 0, it is 0, all are 0. So 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. An by 0 is equal to infinite. For case 2, that is case 2. For case 3, now I am going to case 3. If n less than m, then xm is divided, because x to the m is the highest power of the equation. So the highest power of the x is divided both the numerator and denominator. So x to the m is divided both numerator and denominator. It becomes m, and that becomes n minus m. Yes, n minus m, because x to m is divided here. That becomes m, and that becomes m, and that is becomes xm divided xbm. You look, n minus, since n is less than m, so n minus m no doubt less than 0. It is negative power of x. If it is negative power of x, in case of infinity, all the terms of the numerator side becomes 0. All the numerator side becomes 0. So it becomes, all the powers of the numerator side becomes 0, and all terms except the last term, all are 0. So last term is bm, some 0 by something is equal to 0. So answer is 0. There are 3 answers. For case 1, that is an by bn. For case 2, that is infinite. For case 3, I already told what is the case 3. Case 1 is equal to n is equal to m. Case 2 is equal to n greater than m, and case 3 is equal to n less than m. For case 2, when n greater than m, that result is infinite. For case 3, where n less than m, the answer is 0. That's all about number xb. I am going to number 6. You look, number 6, all 15 questions, the limit value is infinite. All 15 questions, the limit value is infinite. So now I am going to solve some of the questions. I am going to solve you. Okay, now number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6i. Number 6i. Limit x tends to infinite. sin x by x. In this case, particularly in this question, you change the limit from to y. Put y is equal to 1 by x. That implies x is equal to 1 by y. So y tends to 0 because put the value of x here infinite. 1 by infinity is equal to 0. So y tends to 0 and x is equal to 1 by y. Now that limit functions from x reduced to y form. Here is x form. When it is limit transfer, the x form changes to y form. Now the limit becomes y tends to 0, 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to y. 1 by x is here y into sin 1 by y, because the value of x is equal to 1 by y and 1 by x is equal to y. Now this type of problem I have already solved from before, number 2i. Limit y tends to 0, y into limit y tends to 0 sin 1 by y. Here the value of y is equal to 0. 0 into something is equal to 0. That is number 6i. That particular questions I am solved in number 2i. So only one thing remember here, that is taking y is equal to 1 by x, but by using limit transformations. Using limit transformation, put y is equal to 1 by x. So no doubt x is equal to 1 by y or y tends to 0. That's all about your answers. Similarly, number 2i. Okay, I am going to down number 2i. Number 2i. Number 2i is given 6 2i, that is limit x tends to infinite and given that x into a to the 1 by x, x into a to the power 1 by x minus of 1, and given x, the value of a greater than 0. The condition is given a greater than 0. Same procedure which I have told you about I, we can adapt in this case also. That is, put y is equal to 1 by x, that implies x is equal to 1 by y, that implies y tends to 0. You put here the limit transform to x to y form. Limit y tends to 0, x means 1 by y, 1 by x means y, a to the y minus 1 by y. You know the direct formula, that is ln a. Limit y tends to 0, a to the y minus 1 by y, that is the formula. That is ln y. It is very easy. Ln a, that is your answer. I told about you, limit y tends to 0, a to the x minus 1 by x is equal to ln a. 5 to the x minus 1 by x is equal to ln 5. 2 to the x minus 1 by x is equal to ln 2. Similarly, here a and the variable is y. So limit y tends to 0, a to the y minus 1 by y is equal to ln a. That is the formula I have told you about from previous 2 class before, I think. When we are going to offline mode, I have told about this formula. Okay, now number 3i, number 6 3i. Number 6 3i is given. So that the question is given, limit x tends to 0, and extend to infinite, I think. No doubt, 0, 0. It is 0, x to the 1 by 2, plus 2x plus 3x to the power 3 by 2 whole divided by 2x to the power 1 by 2, 2x to the power 1 by 2 minus 2x to the power 5 by 2, I think, minus 2x to the power 5 by 2 plus 4x to the power 7 by 2. Only one thing you remember, if in the case of a limit x tends to 0, the lowest power from both the equation is divided. Remember, if limit x tends to 0, the lowest power of both the numerator side and denominator side is divided both numerator and denominator. But limit x tends to infinity, the highest power is divided both numerator and denominator. That two things must be remembered. First thing is, if limit x tends to 0, then the lowest power, both numerator and denominator is divided both numerator and denominator. But in case of limit x tends to infinite, then the highest power is for 0, the lowest power, but in case of infinite, the highest power is divided both numerator and denominator. That two things must be remembered, otherwise you cannot solve this problem. Okay? Now, the lowest power, taking x to the half is common both sides. X to the half is the lowest power from both numerator and denominator. Limit x tends to 0, x to the half is taking common. Here it becomes 1, 2x to the half, 1 minus half, half is common. That is 3x, because 3 by 2 minus half, 2 by 2 is equal to x. Here, x to the half taking common both sides, it becomes 2. That becomes 2 into 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 4 by 2, x square. 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 6 by 2 is equal to x cube, 4x cube. Now, x to the half and x to the half cancel. Put the value of x is equal to 0 throughout the equation. 1 plus 0 plus 0, that is 0, that is 0. 2 minus 0 plus 0, that is answer is equal to 1 by 2. That is your answer. You look, when limit x tends to 0, the lowest power is taking common or divided both the numerator and denominator. But in case of limit x tends to infinite, then the highest power is divided both numerator and denominator. So that is number 6, 3i. You look, number 6, IB and V both are same type questions, both are infinite. So I think I am going to do number V. So similarly you can do IV. So I am going to solve number V. Number V. V is given that limit x tends to infinite, x square, yes, x square, x4 plus a square minus x4 minus a square. I think that is your questions. Yes. Here we can use the formula, that is taking limit transfer formula, that is taking x is equal to 1 by y, that means y tends to 0, because 1 by infinity is equal to 0, no doubt, so y tends to 0. you can put the limit transform form, limit y tends to 0. In case of x square, you can put 1 by y square, x4 1 by y fourth plus s square minus 1 by y fourth minus s square. Now you look, that becomes limit y tends to 0, 1 by y square, LCM is y fourth, 1 plus s square y fourth, the root over y square is equal to y square, minus 1 minus s square y fourth by y square. From numerator sides, you can taking common y square both sides, it became y square into y square y fourth. Now I write here limit y tends to 0, 1 by y fourth. Why y fourth? Because y square is taking common, y square is before, that is exists before, so y square into y square becomes y fourth. Now it becomes root over of 1 plus s square y fourth minus a root over of 1 minus s square y fourth. You look this question, the root over form is formed. When root over is formed, I already told in number 5 that the conjugate is multiplied both numerator and denominator. The conjugate is plus is multiplied both numerator and denominator. That becomes limit y tends to 0, 1 by y fourth. The conjugate is 1 plus s square of y fourth minus 1 minus s square of y fourth whole into 1 plus s square of y fourth root over plus, the conjugate of minus is plus, is root over 1 minus s square y fourth is multiplied in numerator, hence it is divided in denominator. That becomes 1 plus s square y fourth root over plus 1 minus s square y fourth root over. Look the numerator sides, a minus b whole into a plus b, the a square minus b square, hence the root over will be vanishes. It becomes limit y tends to 0, it becomes 1 plus s square y fourth minus 1 plus s square y fourth divided by y fourth, here that y fourth whole into that part 1 plus s square of y fourth root over plus 1 minus of s square y fourth root over. Here plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled. Now question becomes s square y fourth plus s square y fourth, s square y fourth plus s square y fourth. I can write in these sides because there is no space there. So now I am going to remove this part from your blackboard. You look, that questions becomes limit y tends to 0, s square y fourth plus s square y fourth, that is becomes 2 s square y fourth, and denominator side to y fourth whole into 1 plus of s square y fourth plus 1 minus of s square y fourth root over. Here y fourth and y fourth cancel. Now put the value of y is equal to 0. Now put the value of y is equal to 0. In the numerator side, that is 2 s square. Here 1, y fourth is 0. S square into 0 is equal to 0. Root over 1 is equal to 1. 1 minus 0 plus 1. That is 2 s square by 2. 2 cancel. Answer is your s square. Answer is your s square. You can do this problem in this way. There is no tricks here. Only one thing you know, that the conjugate is multiplied when is root over is coming. Any case, if root over is coming in a limit function, then conjugate is multiplied both numerator and denominator sides. That is number B. Number VI, V2I and V3I, both are very easy questions. Let it. I am going to know about these questions. Try to solve some of these questions. Okay. Now, limit Vi. Vi. Limit x tends to 0. Cos of sin x. You look, the only variable is sin x here. Cos is the function of the form of functions. So taking cos outside. Limit x tends to 0. Sin x. Looks, put the value of 0, x is 0. Sin 0 is equal to 0, no doubt. Cos of sin 0. X value, put x value 0. So sin 0 value, no doubt the value of sin 0 is equal to 0. That becomes cos 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1. It is very easy. You look, the very easy process. Particular questions, Vi, V2i, V3i. Particular in this case, you can do this way. Number that is Vi. Then I am going to solve V2i. V2i is similarly V2i and V3i, exactly same questions, V2i and V3i, both case root over is present. So I think I am going to do number V3i. So V3i is in this type. बंद कर दिया. हेलो. Oh. Okay, now start करो. Number V3i. Number V3i. Because V2i is same as V3i, both cases you can find logarithm functions, also the root over functions. So I think it is better to solve number V3i. Limit x tends to 2 log 2. Limit x tends to 2. The logarithm which base is 2 log 2. Then x square minus 4 divided by 3x minus 2 root over 3x minus 2 minus x plus 2. Only variable, that part is variable log 2 taking outside. Similarly, the cos taking outside is the before questions. Taking log 2 outside of the limit. Limit x tends to 2 x square minus of 4 divided by 3x minus of 2 root over minus of x plus 2 root over x minus x plus 2. The bracket completed here. Since in denominator side is root over case, then the conjugate of that root over case is multiplied both numerator and denominator. Now, next step is log 2 is outside of the limit. Limit x tends to 2 here, x square minus of 4. The conjugate of denominator, is plus, that is 3x minus 2 root over plus, because here is minus, the conjugate is plus, root over x plus 2, which multiplied both numerator and also denominator, because the root over side is in denominator sides. 3x minus 2 root over minus x plus 2 whole into 3x minus 2 plus x plus 2. You look here. Log 2 is outside of the limit part. Then limit x tends to 2 x square minus of 4 whole into root over of 3x plus, no, 3x minus 2 plus root over of x plus 2 whole divided by, that becomes a minus b whole into a plus b. That becomes 3x minus 2 minus x minus 2. You look, log 2 limit x tends to 2, x square minus 4 is equal to x minus 2 whole into x plus 2. You know very well, a minus b whole into a plus b, a square minus b square whole into 3x minus 2 root over plus x plus 2 root over. And it becomes 3x minus x, 2x minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. 2 taking common, x minus 2. So x minus 2 cancel. Now put the value of x is equal to 2 here. That is log 2. Put x is equal to 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 into 3 into 2, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 4 root over is equal to 2. X plus 2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 root over is 2. Divided by 2. That becomes log 2. The base of the logarithm is 2. 4 into 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 16 by 2 is equal to 8. That becomes log 2 to q. Because 2 to q is equal to 8. That 3 is coming outside here. That became 3 log 2 2. Log 2 2 is equal to 1. When the base number and the when the base number of the logarithm equal to this number of functional number, then that logarithm becomes 1. So that is 3 into 1 is equal to 3. The answer is 3. Look, this question is not very important, but some tricks must be applied here. Before I am going to solve number ix and x, I am going to say about some formula that which used particular in this case. That formula in your books, just I am giving some examples to you. That formula in your books. To look. Yes, from corollary 1 and corollary 2 on the page 364. On the page 364, you look these questions from 364, page number 364, that is limit x tends to infinite. Two formula. Just I am going to discussing about it because that formula can used, that particular identity we have used last two numbers. That we are going to ix and x also. That is limit x tends to 2, limit x tends to infinite, limit x tends to infinite, 1 plus 1 by x to the power x is equal to e. 1, formula 1, and formula 2, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x to the power 1 by x is also a. That same thing here used. Put 1 by x is equal to y. Y tends to 0, 1 plus y to the power 1 by y. That same formula from only that formula can create that formula also. And that formula also created that formula. Only changing the limit x tends to 1 by y. You can put and get this answer also. That two formula must use that particular two problems. I think that problems is number 6, ix and x. That formula ix and that is x. Okay, now Ix. Now I am going to solve Ix only. That Ix is given limit x tends to infinite log base is not given, limit x tends to infinite log base is e, here base is e, 1 plus a by x, 1 plus a by x to the power x. Log is not a constant function taking outside of the limit function here, because here the only variable x, so log is taking outside of the limit. Now becomes limit x tends to infinite 1 plus x, sorry, 1 by a, x by a. You look, the a is numerator side. It can divide into denominator side. So a, when a is going to numerator also, so a by x we can write 1 by x by a to the power x by a into a. A cancel. The formula I have also remember this formula. I am already remember this formula again. This formula is given from that formula is limit x tends to infinite 1 plus 1 by x to the power x is equal to e. That value and that value same. Here the lower value is x by a. So we have used x by a here because particular in this case x by a here. So x by a we have used x by a into a. So now we have write this formula in this way. You look, log e limit the value of x is equal to infinity. So x by a also infinite. 1 plus 1 by x by a to the power x by a whole to the power e. A. That particular value, you look, you compare this formula. Here x put to x by a is equal to y. Limit y tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by y to the y is equal to e. So now log e to the power a, because that value is e and e to the power a. So a is taking outside of the from the beginning of the logarithm. So a into log e, you know the base power and functional power value is same, e both are e, so it becomes 1. So the answer is a. So the answer is a. Only one text you have applied, x by a, here x by a, nothing else. That question is very easy. Similarly also x you can do taking log e outside 1 by bx. Here bx you have multiplied b on upper sides. In the power case 1 by x becomes b by bx. So 1 by bx whole to the b. So e to the b, answer is also b. Particular in this case answer also b. Now I am going to do number xi. Number xi and x2i. I only remember you that if you are very poor in trigonometry, then you cannot solve limit and derivative and integration also. If you are very poor in trigonometry, then you cannot solve limits, derivative and integration, especially in second year courses. So number xi. Number xi. Number xi is given that limit x tends to pi by 4. It is an important problem. That is an important problem. Limit x tends to pi by 4, and that given sine 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x by, that is sine of, no doubt that is given sine of, yes, pi by 4 minus x. Taking the sine function outside of the limit, no doubt, taking sine outside of the limits, limit x tends to pi by 4, it becomes 1 minus of tan x divided by 1 plus 1 into tan x. That tan x means 1 into tan x divided by pi by 4 minus x. Look here, you know the value of 1 is equal to tan pi by 4. You can put in this case 1 is equal to tan pi by 4. Also in this case 1 is equal to tan pi by 4, because tan pi by 4 minus tan x, 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x is tan a minus b formula, that is tan pi by 4 minus x. So that tricks must be remember, 1 is multiplied with tan x, because tan x same as 1 into tan x same as tan x. Now sine is outside of the limit functions, limit x tends to pi by 4, here put 1 is equal to tan pi by 4 minus of tan x divided by 1 plus instead of 1. You remember why I have used 1, because in case of 1 I have used tan pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 into tan x divided by pi by 4 minus x. Now sine is outside of the limit, limit x tends to pi by 4, tan a minus tan b whole divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b, that is tan a minus b formula, that becomes tan pi by 4 minus x divided by pi by 4 minus x. Here you look this question, x tends to pi by 4, here pi by 4 minus x, here also pi by 4 minus x. So no doubt to limit transform, put y is equal to pi by 4 minus of x. So y tends to 0, no doubt y tends to 0, because instead of x you put pi by 4 minus pi by 4 is equal to 0. So now sine limit y tends to 0 tan y divided by y. You know this identity, that identity value is 0, limit y tends to 0, tan y by y is equal to 1. Tan y by y is equal to sin 0 by 0 is equal to sin x by x is equal to 1. Similarly, tan y by y is equal to 1. That is sin 1. Answer. Now, number the last number is next strategy, limit x tends to pi by 2 log e 1 minus of sin qx by cos square x. Okay, now the formula is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 log 1 minus of sin qx by cos square x. That is your formula. X to y x to y, limit x tends to pi by 2, I think limit x tends to pi by 2, okay, log 1 minus of sin qx by cos square x. No doubt log function is taking outside of the limit function. Log limit x tends to pi by 2, that is 1 minus of sin qx. 1 q minus of a q minus b q, you know very well. 1 minus of sin x whole into a square, 1 square 1 plus ab sin x plus of sin square x. where you know the cos square x is equal to 1 minus of sin square x. Cos square is equal to 1 minus of sin square x. That becomes 1 minus of sin x whole into 1 plus sin x. Just I overtake a step because I am writing cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Then I have write 1 minus sin x whole into 1 plus sin, because 1 minus sin square x is equal to 1 minus sin x whole into 1 plus. I have directly written cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x. Here 1 plus sin x is cancelled. Now put the value of pi by 2 log 1 sin pi by 2. No doubt sin pi by 2 value is equal to 1 sin square x 1 square 1 by 1 plus 1. That becomes log 3 by 2. That is your answer, log 3 by 2. Which is your answer of the number x to y. That's all about number x to y. Now I am going to solve number x iv and then xv, because only two problems. You can do very well that x3i similarly in this way. Now I am going to solve number x iv. The x iv is अच्छा 6 मिनट अच्छे. XV, no, IV, sorry, XIV. XIV is given that limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. You look these questions. X whole into e to the power 1 plus x square plus x4, 1 plus x square plus x4 minus 1 by x minus 1 whole divided by 1 plus x square plus x4 minus 1. You look, x is multiplied here. Next step, you can divide x in denominator sides. Limit x tends to 0, e to the power 1 plus x square plus x4 minus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole divided by, that x is multiplied in numerator side. When it coming to denominator side, it became divided with the denominator sides. 1 plus x square plus x4 minus 1 by x. Put that part is equal to 0. Put that part is equal to 0 because the value of x is 0. 1 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So now you write this. In this case you can write simple you can write, put y is equal to 1 plus x square plus x4 root over minus 1 by x. So y tends to 0. Put y, limit y tends to 0 in this part, e to the y minus 1 by y. No doubt that is 1. Answer is 1. It is very easy questions. You look, it is very easy process. Only simple you can put 1 plus x square plus x4 minus 1 by x is equal to 0 because taking y. So that part is equal to e to y minus 1 by y is equal to, according to the formula, that it becomes 1. So now the last part, similarly you can do the last part. You have divided ln tan x, both numerator and denominator, you can find the result same result. When you can divide a ln tan x, you can find ln in denominator sides, ln sin x divided by ln tan x minus 1. Minus a by b, sorry, minus a by b. Here the question is b tan x. Here is b tan x. When b tan x is divided in denominator sides, b cancels. That it becomes tan x by sin x by tan x minus tan bx divided by tan bx divided by tan bx. That question is something going to, I think that question you have write the wrong question. This question is wrong. I have write in the clear question. Okay, that question is wrong. The printing mistake, there is the printing mistake here. Now I am writing the proper question here. Number xv, that becomes a limit x tends to 0, no doubt. X tends to 0. Here it is written as b tan bx. Here it is written is only x. You can write b tan bx. B tan bx e to the power sin x by tan bx minus 1, no, minus a by b, sorry, minus a by b minus 1 divided by b sin ax minus a tan bx. Here simple b tan bx is divided both numerator and denominator sides. So limit x tends to 0, it becomes e to the power sin ax by tan bx minus a by b minus 1 whole divided by b tan bx. In your question b is not represented here, but you can write in your book that is bx. When b tan bx is divided in this case, it becomes sin ax by tan bx minus a by b, because tan bx divided a by b is remained. Now taking put, you can put y, you can put y is equal to sin ax by tan bx minus a by b. Hence y tends to 0, because sin x by tan bx is a by b, so a by b minus a by b is 0. Now you put limit y tends to 0 e to the y minus 1 by y. That value is y, that becomes 1. Answer. Your question is wrong, that is bx is not given. You can write in your book that is bx. Okay. Now all this question today, I think number 6 is completed. Next day on Friday I can solve number 7 and 8, 2 problems in this day and complete your limit. Then I am going to daily part next Sunday. Okay. Today is last. तापर तुम सल्ला